Welcome to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. Up next is the Master Box Zombieland series Zombie Hunter Road to Freedom Scale Model Kit. This is 1/35 scale. And definitely opens a new area to the standard model kitting. Now, the wargamers out there have had all kinds of zombie kits available to them here recently, but this one's a first as far as the standard scale modeling community and in 1/35 scale. Let's look at the box. Kit number 35175. And just different languages here. The back side. And of course, the kit does not come with the motorcycle. It comes with 5 figures. But they do show some different motorcycle 1/35 scale motorcycles down below. I can put up some still shots after this review so you can see the motorcycles up close. Now, this does have a likeness to some of your recent movies, which was Resident Evil. And Resident Evil, this would be the character of Alice. Looks just like her, doesn't it? Alright, let's open it up. One sprue of plastic. And like always, I'll go ahead and cut away and I'll get some closer shots of the plastic for you. Alright, let's get a closer look. Very nice details for these characters. Zombies. Handgun there. Looks to be Alice. Cargo pants, shoes. Very nice details on the hands. Very nice sculpting here. Go ahead and flip it over. And the fuel cans, or jerry cans, are nice quality, as like you would see in my kit. Separate pieces for the handles and such. But you know, cool kit. This would make an interesting diorama for whatever you wanted to do. Combine this with some of your other 35th scale figures out there and should have an interesting zombie diorama. And I hope you enjoyed the review. Stay tuned for some close-up still shots. Now go build something. Happy modeling, everybody.
years, I've been at war with the Umbrella Corporation. And now, they're more powerful than ever. My name is Alice, and this is my story. I used to work for Umbrella. They developed a new virus. There was an outbreak.
Doors won't open!
Everybody died. Trouble was, they didn't stay dead.
They're everywhere.
I was the only one immune to the T-virus.
The genetic structure is the key.
When the virus began to spread,
Seal the gates.
Umbrella eradicated Raccoon City, my home. I tried to escape, but I was captured and experimented on. I became different, powerful, unstoppable. As I got stronger, the human race became weaker.
Pretty soon there'll be more of us dead than alive.
Good thing we like a challenge. Umbrella used my DNA to develop an army of clones. Big mistake.
Hey, boys.
I thought the virus killed everyone, but I found other survivors.
We have to move on.
We went in search of a safe haven called Arcadia. Turns out it was a trap.
We're holding survivors to experiment on them.
This is a pleasant surprise.
The fight continued, and the war was only beginning. Everyone I've ever known, and everything I've ever done is being used against me. Now, Umbrella can manipulate the world, and only I can stop them. My name is Alice, and retribution is here.